I'm Steve Roots, this is Roots Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms, and I'm more excited than normal because a brown box has arrived. And in this box is a new sample display stand from Laminam. Laminam are an Italian manufacturer of porcelain worktops that we've taken on as a regular supplier. I can't actually remember what the stand looks like that I've ordered, so let's find out. Ooh, this is smart. This is polystyrene. I wasn't expecting that. Not only does it come with instructions, look at this. It includes the tools to put it together. Oh, if only everything came with the right tool to assemble things. This is really good. I'm liking this already. Doesn't that look good? A couple of things I want to show you. The first is this sample. This is a gloss finish on the porcelain worktop. The way this is achieved is by applying what's essentially a glass to the surface. Because it's glass, it's more prone to scratching than the equivalent matte finish worktops. However, if you compare that to a laminate worktop, this gloss one is still a lot more durable than a laminate worktop. You could put things directly on it. So if you were looking at a gloss worktop, we'd recommend this. However, as a business, we generally recommend the matte finish as more durable. And if you want to see a matte finish, here is a nice one. This has got a really nice texture to it, and it's marble, just like that first one was. And then one more to have a look at. This is different. This texture here, just turn my screen back on. This texture here, I don't know if you can really see this on the video. It's got a really nice ribbon texture to it. What you need to do is come visit my showroom and see this sample for yourself. We're Roots Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. We design, supply and install kitchens, bedrooms and bathrooms done well throughout East Kent. And if you're in our area, I would love you to come to my showroom and to give you the full tour. If you have any questions about Laminam or kitchens in general, leave them in the comments below. I do answer them all myself. Please also give us a like and subscribe. That really does help my small business. My name is Steve Roots. This is Roots Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms.